Guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I finally got my ring light today. I actually went to buy it today. I've been looking for a ring light for quite some time now, and I was finding ring lights but not what I wanted. Let me stop this music. So I was looking for ring lights and I got some few suggestions from my fellow YouTubers like, no, check out this store, check out that store, and I finally found the one that I was looking for. And thank you so much for everyone that referred me to a shop or to someone. I really appreciate that. I finally got the size that I wanted and at the budget that I had. So I'm quickly just going to unbox it and show you all the accessories, guys. It's an 18 inch. Is it inches or what do they call them? But I'll explain. Also, before you get into this video, please just subscribe if you have not, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. So the ring light comes with different rainbow colors, and the standard, which is the clear one, and I'm just going to show you. It comes with a tripod, this long tripod, and then a remote and everything that comes from inside the box. Everything, you are provided with everything. So that is something really amazing, and I like their service. They're very, how do I say, they're so kind, honestly, and it was just such a smooth and by the shop is just in it's in Venil. It's not in Chinatown. I almost went to Chinatown today, but my friend rescued me. She said, you know, okay, as I previously said, this is the box, right? And when I open it, this is how it looks inside. So first thing it has three standards, right? In the middle it has three of these standards. I'm going to connect it and show you how they look on the tripod itself or on the whole ring light right here. We have the plug. And then we have the remote to control the lighting, because he was demonstrating to us how to use the remote and where to plug what. So it has an on and off. On and off button, the lighting adjustment, and then the RGB, which is those different colors. And then I don't know what this is though, but yeah, whatever. And then we have the three, I don't know if it's tripods or what, guys. The phone holders, the things that are gonna hold the phones. Is it like this or like this? Yeah, Lord. No. You know, he was showing us and I was not even listening because I was really excited. But these are the three, it goes in the middle, yeah? And then we have the ring light itself, guys. It's so massive. It's really massive. You see? It's 18. Yeah, it's I don't know, but it's an 18 inch. Yeah, guys, it's an 18 inch. I'm not sure you'll be able to see this, but that is what is written there. This is the perfect size that I was looking for, guys. Yes. So that's basically all that is in the box. You see, there's nothing else. That was the last thing. So let me show you the tripod. The tripod comes in this actually heavy box, and this is the tripod. as you can see, it has all this adjustable 1, 2, and then you have 3 adjustable thingies to make it longer and longer to your liking, obviously. Okay, so let me just show you guys up close because I feel like you are so far. Okay guys, as I was saying, let me just show you guys up close. This is the main ring light, and these are the 3. Where's the other one? There are 3. Okay, here it is. These are the 3 whatnot standers or whatsoever. What are they called? You know, it's easier to explain them once I put them on the stander themselves, right? The stander itself, sorry. And this is now the cord to connect it for the power. And this is the remote for so on the ring light itself you will find the on and off button. Apparently this is to increase the dimmer, like the lighting, if you want it up or low. And you can also press it in to turn on and off, to turn on and off, sorry. And this is also an adjustable something. What is this? This also, I'm assuming. So let me try to build it up and then I will show you guys the final product. We've already tested it in the shop, but let me just show you guys how the final product looks like. And this is the tripod. Oh, the tripod is so heavy, and it is having all this adjustable convenient things, whatever things. So yeah guys, this is my tripod and I'm so excited to show you guys this. I'm really excited guys. So okay, let me go ahead and just start building the whole thing, so I show you guys a clear image of how it will look like down on the floor and how long it is as well. Hey guys, I hope you'll be able to hear me. Okay, so here's the final product. Here's the power thingy that you connect here and then connect all the way to the stove. So here's the remote and this is on. Ta-da! Just that it's a little bit too bright in here, but Here is the, okay, how do you do this again? So obviously, and there's that, all these funny blue, yellow, purple, whatever, all these RGB colors. Really amazing. But the standard one, just if you guys can't see, man, this is so nice. Purple, turquoise, red, whatever. So it's different what is this, colors and stuff. And here is where you can adjust the brightness, like if you want it to work, like this is on the low and this is on the high, I think. Yeah, you will see when it's high. Yeah, the brightness, yes. So this is the standard one, I think, the one that is for now clear. So let me test it. Let me turn around and test how the videos are gonna look. So yes guys, obviously it's too high. I need to adjust it to my height and things like that, but this is how it is, guys. I'm so satisfied, and it's so long. These are the things that I was talking about, and I was struggling with them, but I managed. I don't know, okay, maybe one is when you're filming for Instagram, one is for YouTube. This I have no idea, but I think I'm gonna detach two of them because I'm not gonna use them, guys. So this is where I got the my ring light. They're just in Venue. I think it's Town Square. That side is Town Square, where there's the big daddy outside there. Yeah, they're just somewhere there. Just give them a call. The price of each is it's 888, so it's 888. And you are welcome, guys. Also, when we went there wasn't enough stock. We only found 2, so yeah, just call before going, because the last, when we were there, we were like, these were the last 2. So before you go, just call and ask if they're still there. Okay, they're on special, actually. They're 888. Yes, good luck, guys. One more last thing that I forgot: you can actually charge your phone while it's connected on the 3 tripods that I showed you earlier. So this is really cool. This is a USB, not the port or your phone thingy. So I think this is also really cool. You can charge your phone while you are recording, because obviously it's connected to the power. It's going to have power, so yay.
On top of that, I'm gonna slap on some gel, and yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. I feel like I've shown this process a couple of times on my channel. It changes with the state of my hair, obviously, and right now my hair is not